All right, so I am going to show you how to install this windshield onto a Honda Talon, and it should work with any Honda Talon. I have an Fox Live Valve four-seater. Make sure you also like this video and subscribe. I appreciate it. Oh yeah, like the video, thanks. So this is the Rough Country windshield. I got it as a half, it's not a full. From what I understand, if you're in hot weather like I am in Las Vegas, Nevada, they say get the half because you get some airflow. If you get the full, you get too hot. And I've been too hot in these rigs before and it sucks. So the half is what I'm going to do. Hopefully it works out well. This is really simple to install. It comes with a plastic wrap all on the top here. So just undo the wrap, and these right here are your holes that you're going to be putting your straps through, and you're just going to be strapping it to the side. This is just like a rubber thing with Velcro on it. It looks pretty easy. You just undo this right here and then strap it through in there, the poles in the middle, and just make it taut and strap it to itself. So that is the easy part. Goes right through here. I'll show you how to do it in just a second. This is your other part, your rubber that you're going to be putting on the bottom, and then this is the rubber that you're going to be putting on the top. So this one right here will go all along the bottom part, and then this one here, where the thinner one will be going all around it. And you know, it's not that bad to put these things on. What you probably do want to do is just start from one side with these, the long ones. Just start from one side, pinch it into here, and then go all the way around it. It's kind of a pain when you start from the middle, and then you go to one side, and then it stops here, and you're like, I need to readjust it. So just for good measure, start from one side, push it in all the way through and around, and then again, likewise, with your larger piece, just start from one side and push it all the way through, following the molds, and you'll be set with that, and then we just have to strap it on. So let's get to it. All right, so I am putting this seal on right here. I'm just working my way down. It's a little bit tight, so it goes on pretty snug. I can't do it with one hand or else I'd show you. I'm filming with the other, but just keep on putting it down and wrap it around. All right, so I got the gasket on. I did put it in this corner right here and wrapped it all the way around, but it still ended up having some leftover. So that's, I guess, kind of nice. I'm going to just cut it off here and wrap on our next seal. All right, I just got done putting this on the bottom one, and so it does have a little bit extra on the top, just like this one had a little bit extra on the bottom. And oh man, I have to say that I am super impressed. This is good quality stuff from Rough Country. So the seals go on. I mean, they're difficult to put on. They're not insane, but they are made to stay on there. I have no worries of this stuff falling off. Really nice quality. Can't wait to get this actually hooked up, and I'm almost done. I got the seals on. That was the hard part, and then bam, let's just strap it on the windshield right now. They did say in the instructions, caution, do not tow vehicle with windshield attached. Windshield may blow off, kill somebody, or hurt somebody. So always remove windshield towing while you're towing the vehicle. So, okay, remove it. It just straps on and straps off. Why not? It won't be that hard. But let's go ahead and strap this on and see how it goes. Oh, after I trim these up, of course. All right, so here are the pitfalls. I just decided to put the windshield on just to see how it looks. Laying it on there, I haven't strapped it in. I have the straps right here. So what I found out is that my mirrors that I have on currently line up perfectly where I'm supposed to feed through the straps to put them on. So I'm supposed to feed it through these holes and put it on right there. Yet I have those mirrors there. So I'm going to have to move my mirrors up a little bit. But the good thing is it doesn't seem like the spacing that's in between here is going to affect it. I could put them up here. I mean, it really doesn't matter. I could put my windshield up or my mirrors up a little bit more. Might as well just play around with it, see what works on your rig. Over here, though, I am not strapping these down fully yet because I am also in the middle of another project that I'm also making a video on. Go check that one out. For putting in my light bar, my LED whips that are going to be run to a switch plate. I got my switch plate kind of assembled right there. Putting my switch plate together, so I'm running wires up and down here right now. So when I'm fully done with that, then I will place this correctly and then strap this in. But this is so simple to take off and on, this rough country half windshield. I just, fed through the strap through this metal piece right here. You just strap it on. I mean, this is really self-explanatory. So, and you have, of course, the rough country logo and the plastic bit up front. So it looks nice. It's super high quality in my opinion, and I think it's going to function really well. I didn't think that it was going to come up this high on the windshield or on the rig here, but this is going to block so much wind. This is going to work really, really well and still get me some airflow when it's super hot out. I mostly got this because of the heat. And of course you can see the little bump seat there in the middle. I have a son who's right now 19 months old. He likes to ride with us. So hopefully this will get some of the wind out of his face too. So I think that it was a good choice to do the half instead of the full. And I don't even think this is half. This is like, I don't know, this is like 2/3. And this is pretty good. I'm very happy with it. But we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know how I like it when we're actually driving around and I got everything else buttoned back up. But don't think that you need to take off your hood for all this crap. This is really simple thing to install. But I like it. I suggest getting it because of the quality, and I will let you know how I like actually riding around with it.